All right, good afternoon, everybody. Here's a quick trade recap of our 0 DTE, 0 days to expiration SPX. Drama free day trade done today in the small account mastery. Overall, short and easy. I mean, like today's market was, well, the intraday action was pretty choppy, but that's perfect for this type of strategy. Well, let's do a quick trade recap. So I was looking bearishly, especially since the bear market point of control is now above us. That tells me that, in my opinion, I am now looking at the market bearishly again. I really was hoping for Team Bull, but until we get above this level, Team Bear it is. Um, so basically, in a nutshell, I was looking to get bearish simply because we broke down here and we're already pushing lower on the ES, right? So the question was, where do I want to initiate my short position? Let me show you where I did. If you recall, I gave you three scenarios, and the one that played out was I wanted to get short if 40.85 was tested and sell signals started to appear. And that's exactly what happened. It's always good when a trade setup unfolds as you expect. But um, actually, before I go into this, let me just show you my fills and whatnot first, and then we'll talk about the setup. So here you can see, get my SPX fills here. So the ones you need to pay attention to are these two at the bottom. The one at the top is a Iron Condor that I just put on, taking advantage of the long weekend. But as you can see, I got filled on a 4110, 4160 call credit spread for 245, right? So 245 got filled, or here's the position. Hold the position for, we'll call it an hour and a half, and ended up closing it for 65 cents, which was about 75% of the credit received. And that gave me a total of $1.80 of credit in my pocket, right? So I made $1.80. By two positions, that just means it was $360. I noticed some that may not be like overly attractive, but I mean, in my opinion, when I see things that if you're continuously making a minimum of $200 a day, that is about a $40 to $45,000 a year profit, which is, in my opinion, that's decent because it just compounds so well. Is all I'm getting at. So, anyways, here's the position. I made 360, and let's go ahead and talk about the setup. All right. So, as it says here, fit to screen. I guess it says fitting as we're getting. Okay. So, price pushed up to the 40.85 level, like I was saying, and printed sell signals. Where are my sell signals? My sell signals are this arrow right here. There is a squeeze going, but it's bullish at the time, but I was looking for it to fail as it was coming up and testing the daily 21 EMA. Larger time frame sell signals over here on the high-low. And then we zoom into the 5-minute time frame. All it did, it did exactly what I wanted it to. If you watch the plan of attack, here I'll throw the little video at the top right now. I wanted it to push up a little bit past the 30-minute 21 EMA and test about 40.85, like I said. And then we started to get our sell signals, right? We got dots and arrows right here, initiated the call credit spread, and then there was also some signals down here on the high-low, and then we got the flush lower. I mean, it did everything that was needed to be done. If we pull up today's price action, so we entered about right here, right about right here, and got a big flush and chop. It's just been doing this all day. And you can see I closed it right here, about right here, about 10 o'clock, right? That's what it said on the 10:14. So right on right here. So right one is right here. That's where we got out of the position. But yeah, there. I mean, it was as the title says, drama free. I mean, got our signal to get short, and now it just chopped around, which is exactly what you need in this type of position. So yeah, that's it. Not a whole lot to say. Other than we got our entries, we had a plan, entered positions, set our stop, and locked it up. But yeah, that's it. So I have for you. If you have any questions, by all means, throw them in the comment section, and I'll answer every single one of them. And have an awesome 3-day weekend, everybody. See you again on Tuesday. Take care.